Hi everyone, now we go to the lesson electrostatics. It is a most important lesson in many branches of physics. The history of charges. 2 millennia ago, Greeks noticed that ampere, after rubbing with the animal fur, attracted small pieces of leaves and dust. This property is said to be charged. Later, people found that not only ampere, but even a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth attracts pieces of paper. Glass rods also becomes charged. Consider a charged rubber rod having from a thread. Suppose another charged rubber rod brought near the first rubber rods repel each other. Then, if a charged glass rod brought near the rubber rod, they attract each other. Two charged glass rods are brought near, they repel each other. The two charged rubber rods they repel each other because they are like charges. Conclusion from the above observation. The charged rubber rod and glass rods are different from one another. The two charged rubber rods they repel each other because they are like charges. The charged ampere and rubber rods are attract with each other because they are unlike charges. Two kinds of charges exist in the universe. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin called one type of a charge as positive and another type of a charge as negative based on Franklin's convention. Here, rubber rod and ampere rods are negatively charged rods. The glass rod positively charged. If the net charge is zero, it is called electrically natural. It is an important one mark question. Which is electrically natural materials? One, glass rods, another one. In the late 19th century and in the beginning of 20th century, J.J. Thomson and Rutherford are explained about atom. Atom is naturally neutral and it is made of negatively charged electron, positively charged proton, and neutrons are which have zero charge. When an object rubbed with another object, define electrical charge. Some amount of charges transferred from one object to another object due to friction. This is called electrically charged. Another name is turbocharged. Charging the object through rubbing is called triboelectric charge. Triboelectric charge. Some amount of charges transfer from one object to another object due to friction. This is called electrically charged. Another name is turbocharged. Charging the object through rubbing is called turbocharged. Next we go to the topic basic properties of charges. Electric charge, most object in the universe made up of atoms which made up of protons, neutrons and electrons. These particles have mass. These particles have mass. Their nature of charges is understood through various experiments in 19th and 20th century. SI unit is Coulomb. Conservation of charges. The charges are neither created nor destroyed, but we can be transferred one to another. Now we go to example. When an object rubbed with one to another, charges get transferred each other. Here we rubbed glass rod rubbed with silk. Here we rubbed glass rod with silk. Positive charge transfer from silk to glass rod, even though negative charge transfer from glass rod to silk. It is a electric conservation, electric charge conservation. Quantization of charges. Experiments show that the charge on an electron is minus E and the charge on the proton plus E. E means fundamental unit of charge. The universe, the charge Q is equal to an integral multiplier of charge Q equal NE. Here N is any integers 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4. This is called quantization of electric charge. We go to the topic Coulomb's law. It is an important 2-mark question. First you learn this formula F equal Q1 Q2 divided by R square. F directly proportional Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Consider 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 at rest in the vacuum and separated by a distance of R. The force on the point charge Q1 exerted by another point charge Q1. F equal Q1 Q2 divided by R square. F directly proportional Q1 Q2 R square. Consider 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 at rest is vacuum and separated by a small distance of R. The force on the point charge Q1 exerted. The electrostatic force is directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to square of the distance. Already we know 2 kind of charges, one positive, another one negative. Positive means high potential, negative means low potential. The charge is flowing high potential to low potential, that is called current. Okay, here positive, another one positive. The 2 kind of charges, that is called like charges. Like charges always repel each other. Next one minus. This is called negative charges. It is like charges, so it is also repel each other. Positive, negative. These 2 type of charges different, so it is attract each other. The force of attraction or repulsion directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance, that is called Coulomb's law. It is a vector quantity. Now you learn the topic electrostatics induction. Uncharged rod is touched by another conductor. Charges flow from charged rod to another conductor. This type of charging without actual contact is called electrostatics induction. Now we do one small experiment here. Uncharged conducting sphere is insulating stand. Suppose a negatively charged rod is brought near the conductor. The rod repels the electron in the conductor to the opposite side. The positive charge is introduced near the region of the charged rod. This is called electrostatics induction. Grounding. The conducting sphere is connected to the ground by through a conducting wire. It is remove the electrons, remain positive charges are attracted by the negative charge rod. The charged rod from the conductor, the positively charged present in the sphere. Now sphere become positively charged. This is called electrostatics induction. Now we go to the topic electrostatic shielding. What is electrostatic shielding? A sensitive electrical instrument which is to be protected from external electrical disturbance is kept inside this cavity. This is called electrostatic shielding. Faraday cage method. Faraday cage is the instrument. It is explained electrostatic shielding. It is made up of metal bars. If an artificial lightning is created outside, the person inside is not affected during lightning with a thunderstorm. If is always suffers to sit inside a bus, then in open ground or under tree. The metal body is electrostatic shielding. The electric field inside is zero. During lightning, the charges flow through the body, so not safe standing ground or tree.
Define triboelectric charge. The charge is transferred from one to another object due to friction. This is called electrically charged. Another name is triboelectric charge. Charging the objects through rubbing is called triboelectric charge. Define conservation of electric charges. The charges are neither created nor destroyed but can transferred one to another. Unlike charges, attract each other. Like charges, repel each other. Coulomb's law. The force of attraction or repulsion directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance.